everybody, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. It is the end of the month, which means it is time for another favorites video. If you have missed any of my past favorites videos, I will have them linked in a playlist listed down below. And as always, all the products mentioned in this video will be listed down below for you guys in case you are interested in purchasing any of them. So without further ado, let's get started. Starting off with beauty, skincare, and hair care, one of my top favorites of the month have been these. These are just the Spring Valley apple cider vinegar caplets. And for those of you who don't know, apple cider vinegar is great as a fat burner. It helps boost your metabolism, and it's supposed to help regulate your system more, and it's supposed to be really good for people who are trying to lose weight. Next, I have been loving the Air Saline Nasal Mist, and I've been using this to clean out my nose piercing because for those of you who don't know, I do have my nose pierced now, and I actually have a horror story from when I got it pierced that I will leave down below for you guys. But they usually recommend using some saline type wash, and I've heard a lot of good things about using this, and all you do is you put it on a Q-tip and clean the inside and the outside. You do not spray this directly up your nose whatsoever. You simply just put it on a Q-tip and then clean it, and so far so good. I haven't had an infection, knock on wood, and I don't even think I'm halfway through this bottle and have been using it 2 to 3 times each day. I've also been loving a new shampoo and conditioner combination, and these ones are both by Garnier Fructis, and it is the Pure Clean Fortifying Shampoo with aloe extract. It is silicone free, paraben free, and it's also vegan. And since I did recently cut my hair, I'm trying to be really healthy with it, not put a lot of products in it, and grow it out so that it is healthy when it's grown out. And my last beauty, skincare, hair care product that I've been loving this month is a body mist, and this is the Bali Blue Surf from Bath & Body Works, and I got this for like $1.50 one day because they were having a huge sale on a bunch of their different products that they weren't selling anymore, and this is one of them, and this is what I use every day as my perfume, and I just love it. It is a very tropically scent. It's like got coconut, I think, and floraliness, and there's no description that I can read off of it, unlike most of their products, but I can tell you it smells amazing. Moving on, I have a bunch of electronic favorites, and the first one is my new MacBook Air case. If you remember my last favorites, I mentioned that I had a favorite case. However, that one actually broke, and I'm pretty mad about it because it was a very cute case, and so this time I went with something a little more protective, and this is just a pink and white Next case, and it is amazing. It does make it a lot heavier and a little bit more bulky, but I think it is totally worth it because of how protective it is. I also do really like that you can see it through it on both sides, and I haven't included an iPhone case in quite a few months in my favorites, which, as you guys know, is pretty rare for me, but this month I am back at it again. This is my new favorite iPhone case. It is one of the Life-Proof Frey cases, and obviously it is just lavender purple, and then it has hot pink on the side, and I absolutely love it. If you guys would like an updated what's on my iPhone or an iPhone case collection video, be sure to let me know in the comments down below. I've been wanting a life-proof case for the longest time for my phone so that nothing happens and so that I can, you know, vlog more and I don't have to worry about it getting wet, because if you guys don't know, I do live in Maine where it's either always snowing, always raining, or the weather's just undecided. And going along with the phone case, another favorite has been my pop socket, and this one is from Walmart, and it's just like a purpley bluey pink floral pattern, and I love it. I don't know why it's taken me this long to get a pop socket for my phone, but I love it so much. It makes it so much easier to hold my phone because I do have a 7 Plus. Moving on to my more random favorites, this is definitely one of them. It is one of the Victoria's Secret pink 3/4 zip polar fleeces, and obviously mine's just in black, and I normally don't shop at Victoria's Secret pink or Victoria's Secret in general because it tends to be on the more pricey side, but I was looking on the app one day and noticed they are having a half-off sale on these, and I've been wanting one of these for quite some time now, and I only ended up paying $30 for this. I love it. It is such a warm fleece, and I did get black so it would go with everything. Next is probably one of my most favorite things of the year, and if you guys do know me, then you know that I am a bargain shopper and I don't ever pay full price for anything. As mentioned from the previous purchase, I got a new set of bedding and I paid $35 for it, and it is from the company Southern Tide, which, if you guys didn't know, Southern Tide is like a preppy brand. They have a ton of clothes, and they did recently come out with bedding, and I was at Bed Bath & Beyond one day and noticed that the bedding that I've been eyeing for quite some time was marked down to $100 from $150, and then I noticed there was a little brown sticker on the side that said it was 75% off, which brought it down to around $35, and it is the Cabana set. I will go ahead and insert a picture of it right here so you guys can see what it looks like. It is the best deal I've ever gotten, and I absolutely love my new bedding. And my last favorite for this month has definitely been my new tattoo. If you guys didn't know, I recently got a new tattoo, and I will have a video on my tattoo Q&A listed down below. Again, I will insert a picture right here so you guys can see what it looks like. It is just a semicolon dragonfly tattoo on the back of my neck, and it's for mental health and suicide awareness, and I am just so in love with it, and it's definitely been a favorite of mine this month. So those are my favorites. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and let me know in the comments down below. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I upload new videos each week and would love it if you would become part of the Allie Pack Squad. I hope you guys liked this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!